Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be profitable trading psychological level in forex trading. Okay, now there are a whole lot of guys that are trading psychological level and are profitable. One of them that you can easily relate with is Jeffrey Benson, right? And Jeffrey Benson trades psychological level, and he does it so simple. So I'm going to be showing you how he trades psychological level, how you too can take advantage of the psychological level, how the big institution, the banks and other trading institutions take advantage of the psychological level, how you can plot the psychological level in a very easy and simple manner. Okay, now let's get to my system. Let me take you through the process. Okay, let's go. So guys, here on my chart here, you can see this is a naked chart, right? So here we're going to start showing you how these big banks, how the institutions actually trade psychological level in forex trading, and they are profitable. Okay, first and foremost, let's lay a background of what is psychological level in forex trading. Okay, now if you come here, you can see even Google also says that in summary, is psychological level in technical analysis is a price level. Please take note of that. It's a price level that is perceived as significant by traders and investors, often due to its round number or because it has previously acted as a support or resistance. Now, that is something very key you have to look at, okay? Because it has previously acted as a support or resistance level, okay? This level gains significance simply due to the attention traders pay to them, okay? So if you come to my chart here, right, you're going to see that ordinarily, if you look at your chart, you want to look at it that there's a support, there's a resistance here, right? Now you're going to look at it, there's another resistance here. And you're going to look down here and see there's a support here, right? Now, if you look at the right-hand side of my chart here, okay? If you look at the right-hand side of my chart here, you're going to be seeing that these are the numbers that are called the psychological numbers, okay? You can see here, we are on Euro USD, right? Then you can see here that there's this 1.05000, right? Then right after that, now this is on daily. I'm doing this on daily, but I'm still going to go down to 4 hours so that I'll show you this thing in practical details, okay? Now, if you check the next one, you're going to be seeing that there's 1.0700, okay? Then if you check up after that, you're going to be seeing that there's 1.09000. Now, most people use this psychological level between 50, like somebody like Jeffrey Benson, this is the guy I was trying to tell you from the intro of the video. This guy, Jeffrey Benson, you can see how to trade, let me quickly show you, see how to trade using psychological level. The guy trade basically using psychological level in most of his trade. Then you can see this other one here, how to trade key psychological level, okay? Now, what in his own teaching, it teaches that you should use basically 50 pips from the current psychological level to the next one, okay? So I'm going to be showing you what that actually means here, okay? Now, let's look at it. Okay, let's start from this particular one here that says 050. This is a psychological level, okay? So I'm going to put in, I'm going to put a line here. Then, because sometimes you cannot really get it accurately by just putting it. So you have to click on it, okay? They're going to say, remember, it's 05000, okay? Now, when you click on it, you can see the line now stands accurately with this psychological level of 05000, okay? Then where is the next psychological level here? You can see there's another one up here that says 1.07000, okay? Now let's put another line there, okay? Let's say, okay, you double click on this, you double click on this horizontal line, okay? Just double click on the horizontal line, okay? Then we're going to say 07000, okay? Now let's put it there again, okay? So you can see there's another psychological level here. Now remember what we read previously from this Google definition of psychological level here. It serves as support and resistance, but the beauty of it is that most of those major players in the forex industry, that is where they normally either look at taking trade from there, or they always look at it as taking profits, okay, or putting their stop loss, okay, they always look at it as something has to happen at this particular point, at this particular level, okay? That is why it's called psychological level, because they know that a whole lot of traders are going to be taking action here. Right now, if you look at this first one, if you check it, you can see it touches the psychological level. When the price also came down here, it touches the psychological level. If you check here also, when the price came down, it touched the psychological level. That goes to tell you that a whole lot of people are putting interest at this particular psychological level, or you can call it support at this instance. Okay. You can call it support at this instance. It tells you that a whole lot of people are putting attention on there. And in most cases, that is where you see the banks will always put their attention also. Okay, I'm going to be showing you something that happens up here. Okay, you can see, okay, let me just do this one. You can see 1.1100 is a psychological level. Guys, please stay with me to the end of the video. I'm taking you guys somewhere. Now, me plotting this one manually, there's an indicator I'm going to be showing you in this video. I'm going to be showing you on TradingView that you just use to plot all this line. You don't need to plot it yourself. You just put in the indicator, and the indicator helps you to plot all those basic psychological level. Okay, so just stick with me in this video, so I'll be able to show you everything you need to know. Okay, now if you come up here now, you can see this 1.1100 there. Okay, let's put it here also. Let's put another one here. Then you double click on this horizontal line. Okay, then you say 1.000 here. Okay, so you can see there's another psychological level here. If you check up here, you can see when price came here, you can see it retraced back. Okay, if you come here also, you can see when price came here, it retraced back. Okay, the price came from down here, it came here, it retraced back. Okay, you can see here also. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is this: you should always pay attention to this psychological level, because you can use it as your support, as your resistance. You can use it as your take profit. Okay, for me, basically, I don't use Fibonacci any longer since I discovered psychological level. Sometimes when I take my trade, I just know that, okay, as soon as the trade is approaching this psychological level, is either I'm taking a trade, is either I'm taking profits, okay, or I'm taking an action. Something definitely is going to be happening at this psychological level. That is why you see, you don't just trade psychological level in isolation. Okay, you must have your own trading strategy that you use. Is it that you are trading SMC, you are trading ICT, you are trading just any other well-known trading strategy to you, okay, then you now use this psychological level as a confluence to actually back up your own trading strategy, and you see that everything will begin to go well for you. Now, let me go down to 4 hours. Let me go down to 4 hours here. I want to go down to 4 hours here. I want to make this thing very, very simple as possible for you guys to actually understand how this thing actually works, okay? Now, if you come down here, if I come down here, you're going to be seeing that there are other psychological level here. Okay, you can see there are other psychological levels here. You can see this 09000. Okay, let's plot one here. 09000. Okay, guys, I just want to show you how this thing actually works, but I'm going to be showing you a trading view indicator that will actually help you to do this thing without doing it manually. Okay, now if you look at this psychological level, what most people will tell you is that it has to be 50 pips from each other. Okay, some will tell you it has to be 20 pips from each other. Some will tell you it has to be 100 pips from each other. But the major point is this: at every 50, 100, 200 pips in between this price, something do happens. Okay, I wouldn't want to use this manual anymore, so let me just quickly show you what I actually want to show you. Let me just take off all those stuff here. Now, the next thing you need to do is just to go to indicator here. Okay, you come to trading view indicator here. Okay, click on this indicator. Now, when you come to this indicator, please just on the search bar type psychological level redefine with Lucky Nick VAR. Look at this one. I've favorite it already. That is why it's here. Okay, please take a look at it. Just come to your site bar here. Type this psychological level redefine with Lucky Nigva here. Okay, now when you click on it, automatically it's going to go to the chart because I've added it to my chart already. Okay, now let me just show you guys here. Okay, you can see this is the indicator, right? This is how the indicator looks. This is how the indicator looks. But there's something I want to show you here. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to make this thing look very, very neat for you. If you look at indicators here, these are the parameters of the indicator. These are the input of the indicator, okay? So here is going to be showing you intraday 20, 50, 80 pips of Forex, okay? You can see here it's going to be showing you 100 pips of Forex. Here it's going to be showing 250 pips. Now, to make this thing more clearer, I prefer using the 100 pips interval between price and the 250 interval between price, okay? So I'm going to uncheck this particular one. I'm going to uncheck this particular one and I'm going to click OK. Right now, I want you to take a proper look. Just take a look at this indicator on this chart. You can see that when price came here, you can see this is the indicator here. Something happened here. When price came here, 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 something happened here. Just look at all the points where the indicator has put the horizontal line automatically, okay? When price came here, something happened here, okay? When price came here, something happened here, okay? Now, let me quickly show you something here also again, okay? Let me quickly show you something here also again. Now, if you check from here, let's use the measurement ruler here. If you check from here to here, how many pips is that? You can see it's 50 pips, right? You can see 50 pips. Something happened, okay? If I take it from here to here, you can see it's 200 pips, something happened, right? 200 pips, something happened. Now, if I take it up here, you can see 300 pips, something happened. Just look at it that if price comes down here, okay, let's assume price comes down here, you take your ruler, you put your measurement ruler here, from here to here, you can see 100 pips. So as soon as it gets to that other level of either 50 pips, 100 pips, 150 pips, 200 pips, something definitely is going to happen to the price. That is where your major attention should be, okay? So let me quickly show you something, okay? If you take your measurement ruler from here now, if you plot it here, from here up here, okay, to this another psychological level, from this psychological level to the other psychological level, you can see it's 100 pips, right? You can see it's 100 pips. You can see it is 100 pips, right? Now, if you check up here, you're going to be seeing that there's a liquidity sweep here, okay? The price moved up to this psychological level. For some, they might just assume that the price is still going to continue, but you can see there's a liquidity sweep here, and here the price reversed back. Okay, like I rightly told you from the beginning of the video, you must make sure that you have a strategy that you can incorporate to this psychological level strategy so that you have a confidence for you to be able to have profitable trades, okay, on this psychological level, okay? Now, the basis of what I'm actually just trying to tell you is this. If you look at every psychological level, if you come down, just look at this right-hand side of the chart, you can see 0.0800, okay? You can see this line of psychological level here, okay? The price, actually something happened here, okay? There's a movement of either up or down here, okay? Now, if you look at this other one, 1.0500, okay? Now, on this particular one, you can decide to even put a manual horizontal line here. Let's look at this psychological level of 0.8500. Let me put this horizontal line here, 0.8500. Double click on it, okay? Then you come here, 0.8500. Click on OK. You can see there's a touch here. You can see something will definitely happen at all the psychological level. You can see there's a touch here. You can see there's a touch here, right? You can see. So that is how it happens, okay? Basically, if you want to get this accurately, use the 50 pips, use the 100 pips, okay? These two are more consistent, okay? Because if you use the roller here and I check most of all those stuff here, you can see from this psychological level to this level here, you can see it's 50 pips. Then if I continue down to this other psychological level, you can see it's 100 pips. You can see it's 100 pips here. You can see it's 100 pips here. So basically something always happens between the 100 pips and 50 pips in between price, okay? So I want to believe you got value from this video. Don't forget, use this indicator that I just showed you. It's a very powerful indicator in TradingView, okay? Remember the indicator again, psychological level redefined with Lucky Nikva, okay? That is the indicator. I want to believe you got value from this video. Learn to take advantage of this particular strategy, incorporate it with your strategy, and you see that you become profitable in forex trading, okay? If you've not subscribed to this channel, please, I will appreciate you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also give this video a like, a thumbs up, okay? I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one, and bye-bye for now.